Say hi, Elijah. Dito. Salamat sa loko. Salamat na sa lahat. Obviously, dito kami sa BGC. And nag-celebrate kami because
Nakapasa siya sa LED. Galing, di ba? Galing. May number?
what's your number?
Number 8?
Number 8. Call him at number 8. Gusto namin ma-watch ni Andrea yan, no? Yung Lilo and Stitch na live action. Try namin i-watch sa June. Next week, punta kaming Sorsogon for the second time. Yung first time kong mag-Sorsogon is nung debut ko ng 18th birthday ko. Tapos,
Din kay Lilo and Stitch.
itong BGC, wag na kayo pumunta dito dahil sobrang dami ng tao. And to be honest, hindi na siya worth the hype. Hindi tulad ng
Worth
dati.
the hype. Hype ba siya?
Hindi tulad ng dati na every weekend pupunta dito. Tapos sobrang ganda ng fully booked dyan dati. Hindi ko sino kakausapin ko, ikaw o yung camera. Pero ngayon, ilang buwan na o ilang taon na hindi na aayos yung aircon sa fully booked, di ba? Ano man sabi mo? Shake mo yung camera. Puntahan natin si Stitch. Kaibigan kong si Stitch. Nirewatch ko yung Lilo and Stitch na anime, yung original na movie niyan dati. Siguro last year or last year. So, sobrang iyak ko. Because, Hannah Minch family.
Ikaw na? May picture dito.
Picture with celebrity. Welcome to Atimonan. Oh. Hi, and welcome to Mount Mayon. The Mayon volcano. Ta-da! And look at the beautiful flowers and the fields and the greenery and the cows. Yeah. And then, diyan kami galing. Ang layo ng nilakad namin. Ay, ng NATV namin. But, super duper worth it because look at that freaking view! It's so beautiful! Good morning! At the beach, of course. It's such a beautiful day and we're going to Subic Bay Beach. That's where the actual like really beautiful beach is. But this one's like so freaking pretty too. Such a beautiful day and the sun's nice, the sun feels good, and I'm just so excited to finally because yesterday was kind of a dud, I'm not gonna lie, and I'm very excited. Yeah! Hi and welcome to Donsol!
Where there is no butanding.
No butanding anymore. We are going to watch the fireflies. You would not everybody, you would not believe your eyes. Alitap. Alitap 2. Alitap 2.
Gab.
Ikaw dito, wala kang harap mo. Talaga siguro papunta again.
ay! RG!
Nora! Wow! Hoy! Mas mataas ka kay Joe! Ay, galing mo! Wow! Wow, Jay! Ang galing mo! Ang galing mo! Truffle risotto, lasagna, and ribs. And we're waiting for the pizza.
Wow.
These are my dates tonight. And I look good. Pero hindi kita because ang pangat ng ilaw. Hey guys! We are about to watch Superman! He's preparing our popcorn. We got one large and then my brother has little one. Guys.
3D nga.
Oh, it's 3D. The reason why we went here to Mega Mall to watch this was because yung mawalang yung 3D. Tapos sabi, 2D daw to. But no, it's 3D din. See you at the end of the movie.
This is a songwriter. He writes a song.
How's your ice cream?
Masarap po siya. Ito po yung naghalo na yung hazelnut and espresso.
Maganda sa cellphone.
So, hindi na masarap. What the frick?
Naglasa ka.
Pag Samsung binigay sa
Mango!
iPhone,
This is my ice cream.
Diba?
kahit
Cookies and cream,
kahit send niya kay Ate Bel.
chocolate, and vanilla. And it's
Sige.
really good. And we're just chilling here this Saturday evening. Hi, Daddy.
Pagdating kay Ate Bel, maganda yun.
Hi.
Hi, everyone.
Wow, it's my Fender, my own Fender bass.
Get ready for surprise!
Get ready.
Daddy, sabihin mo ngayon.
Get ready for surprise!
Wait a minute.
Wait a second.
It's Fernando.
It's Fernando.
It's not Fender, it's Fernando.
Somebody got injured. Ooh, he's coming here! Tapos alam mo yung kumari na nagpasang kita?
Mismo ko.
Kiss?
Oo. video.